In this video, I will talk about the third tool of our hospital system chatbot, which is the wait times function used as a tool by the agent. In the previous videos, I've already talked about the other two tools, which are cipher chain and reviews vector chain, so don't hesitate to go and watch these videos. Now let's take a look at how we created our wait times function. Let's go back to the code. So here is our wait time function that we called getCurrentWaitTimes. This function calls a getCurrent wait time in minutes. There is a sample check here for not existing hospitals. We take this time in minutes, we return the hours and minutes separately using div mode, and we return different messages based on how many hours are there in the waiting time. Now, if we take a look at the get current wait time minutes, so here it's actually a fake function, because given a hospital, this function returns a random int between 0 and 600. So it's not a real waiting time, but it's just to show you how to create this kind of functions that we can use as tools for our agents. And here, as you see, if the given hospital is not part of the available hospitals, we return -1, knowing that we get current hospitals by connecting to our Neo4j instance and query the database to return all available hospitals. Now let's try out our function to have an idea about what it would return. So here we are asking for the wait times in this hospital. Let's run this. And here what we have 58 minutes. Again, it's just a random integer that has been returned based on our function. Now, if we try it with a hospital name that does not exist, in this time it's fake hospital, to check that the message that we defined for these situations. If we run this, so we see here that fake hospital does not exist, which is the desired behavior. Now there is another function that we defined here and that we can use as a tool as well, which is called getMostAvailableHospital. If we take a look at this function, so here again we get current hospitals from our graph database. We get the current time for each hospital. We get the minimum value of all these wait times that we call best time. So here's the index. We return the hospital with this best wait time, so using the best time index that we returned here, and we use the same index to return the actual best wait time. And as a result, we return a dictionary with the hospital name and the best wait time. So if we try out this function, and here we have our hospital with the best wait time. This is it, guys, for today's video about the wait time function that will be used as a tool for our hospital system chatbot. In the next video, I will show you how these tools will be used by our agent to answer to the user query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't hesitate to ask questions in the video comments if you have any, and see you next time.